Hello and welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to calculate the lateral area of prisms. This is a very useful skill for understanding 3D shapes. By the end of this video, you will know the simple formula to solve these problems quickly. First, let's identify what a prism is. A prism is a three-dimensional shape that has two identical ends, which we call bases. These bases are parallel to each other. The flat sides that connect these bases are called lateral faces. The name of the prism, like triangular or rectangular, comes from the shape of its base. So, what exactly is lateral area? It is simply the total area of all the vertical sides of the prism. The most important thing to remember is that lateral area does not include the top or bottom bases. We are only looking at the area of the walls, not the floor or the ceiling. To help visualize this, imagine unfolding the prism flat. This is called a net. When we open it up, you can see that all the lateral faces line up to form one large rectangle. This big rectangle represents the entire lateral area we need to calculate. Here is the magic formula for lateral area. It is simply P times H in this formula. Capital P stands for the perimeter of the base, and H stands for the height of the prism. Let's break down each part. Step 1 is finding the perimeter. The perimeter is the total distance around the edge of the base shape. To find it, you just add up the lengths of all the sides of the base. For example, if the base is a triangle, you add the three side lengths together. Step 2 is finding the height. The height, represented by h, is the distance between the two bases. It connects the top shape to the bottom shape. In a standard upright prism, this is just how tall the object is. Let's try an example with a triangular prism. Here, our base is a triangle with sides measuring 3 meters, 4 meters, and 5 meters. The height of the prism is 10 meters. We need to calculate the lateral area. First, we find the perimeter of the base by adding 3 plus 4 plus 5, which equals 12 meters. Next, we use our formula, perimeter times height. We multiply 12 by 10, giving us a lateral area of 120 square meters. Now let's look at a rectangular prism. The base is a rectangle with a length of 6 centimeters and a width of 2 centimeters. The height of the prism itself is 5 centimeters. Step 1, find the perimeter of the rectangle base. We add all four sides, 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2, or 2 times 6 plus 2. This gives us 16 centimeters. Step 2, multiply by the height. 16 times 5 equals 80. So the lateral area is 80 square centimeters. To summarize, the formula for lateral area is P times H. Just remember these steps. Find the perimeter of the base, find the height of the prism, and multiply them. And always remember, lateral area is for the sides only, do not include the bases. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.